For kids. This set is perfect for your little ones who loves to play pretend kitchen. It includes a steel rack of size 8 inches by 6 inches and a variety of kitchen utensils. The set is made of steel and wood, making it long-lasting and durable. It is also non-breakable and non-toxic, so you can be sure that your kids are safe while playing with it. This set is a great gift for your loved ones and will surely attract attention from your relatives and neighbors. So if you're looking for a fun and safe kitchen set for your kids, the Jagrishti kitchen set is the perfect choice.
Welcome to our toy buying guide. Choosing the right toy for a child can be fun and rewarding experience. Let's explore some important factors to consider to ensure you find the perfect toy that is safe, age appropriate, and aligns with your child's development goals. First and foremost, prioritize safety when selecting a toy. Look for toys made from non-toxic materials that meet safety standards. Avoid toys with small parts that could be choking hazard for younger children. Check for any age-specific warnings or recommendations provided by the manufacturer. Consider the age range indicated on the toy's packaging. Toys are often designed with specific development stages in mind. Age-appropriate toys can provide appropriate challenges and stimulation, helping children learn and grow. Choose toys that are suitable for your child's age to ensure that they can fully enjoy and benefit from them. Keep in mind the goals or benefits you want the toy to provide. Toys can have different objectives, such as stimulating hand-eye coordination, promoting motor skill development, encouraging creativity, or fostering educational concepts. Determine the specific goal you have in mind and look for toys that align with it. For toddlers, focus on toys that engage their senses and promote exploration. Look for toys with bright colors, different textures, and interactive features. Simple puzzles, shape sorters, stacking toys, and building blocks are great options for this age group. Preschoolers benefit from toys that encourage imaginative play, problem solving, and social interaction. Consider pretend play sets, art and craft supplies, construction toys, and age-appropriate board games. For older kids, consider toys that challenge their cognitive abilities and foster their interest. STEM toys, building kits, strategy games, and art supplies are excellent choices. Look for toys that provide opportunities for hands-on learning and creative expression. It's also important to consider the child's preferences and interests. Observing their likes, hobbies, and areas of curiosity can guide you in selecting toys that resonate with them and keep them engaged for longer periods. Finally, take into account the durability and quality of the toy. Look for well-constructed toys that can withstand playtime and last longer. By keeping these factors in mind, you will be well equipped to choose the right toy that not only brings joy but also supports your child's development. Happy toy shopping!